everything is packaged really well. So the first thing I took out was the use and care guide. So I'm going to hand that over to Ernie so he can start looking it over. And then the blades come in 2 different colors. So the lighter brown and the darker brown. This is the remote control. It's packaged really nicely in here. These are the connections for the blades to the. It's such a pretty fan. Here is the big motor. I'm gonna hand that over to Ernie. That's heavy. And then this is the, I guess the base of it. So pretty. It's like kind of like a, I don't know. What would you call that, Ernie? Kind of looks bamboo-y, but like a wicker or bamboo, kind of. Anyways, it's really pretty. So there's that. And then this is the sleeve for it. So a nice dark color. And it's beveled. It's really pretty. So Ernie's going to go ahead and install this. So it has 3 speeds, and this is for the lights, and it has a timer for 2 for 8 hours. That's kind of cool. The moment of truth. Here's the moment of truth. Okay, ready? Yay! Oh, it looks so good in here. And the fan? Nice. Very nice. We're gonna change those bulbs out to the Edison, but oh, it looks so good. It totally matches our lamps that I got for in here. It looks so good.